Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating app, Py or a Python module that exposes the logic you need. This is the foundation. Once done, set up a virtual environment and install Flask if you serve Python on the back end, or include Brython for in-browser execution. Make sure your project folder contains index, HTML, static assets, and the Python file. This avoids path confusion later and keeps your server routes or script imports predictable and consistent. Next, wire HTML to the Python logic. If you use a backend like Flask, create routes that accept fetch requests from your page. Use JSON for payloads and return JSON responses. If you run Python in the browser, add the Brython script tag, then place script type equals text/Python blocks or import your Py file. Make sure static serving is configured correctly so HTML can load scripts, and that CORS is handled when calling endpoints from other origins. Finally, perform end-to-end tests. Interact with the UI, watch network requests, and inspect console and server logs to verify data flows. If using Flask, run with debug equals true in development so tracebacks help you. Turn it off in production. Make sure MIME types and file paths match, and confirm CORS headers if cross-origin calls fail. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing runs, check the console for 404 or MIME errors. Fixing the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.